Hello friends, today we will discuss an important topic for competition in economics is green shoe option. A green shoe option, also known as an over allotment option, is a provision in an initial public offering that is known as IPO underwriting agreement that allows underwriters to sell up to 15% more shares than originally planned by the issuing company. We know that IPOs are issued by the company. It is known as disinvestment or taking public shares and making public shareholders of any company. This mechanism is used to stabilize the stock price post IPO and manage excess demand or price volatility. It is named after Green Shoe Manufacturing Company. Now this company is named as Stride Right, the first to use this clause in 1919. How it works? Its purpose is to help and stabilize share prices by allowing underwriters to adjust the supply of shares based on market demand. It prevents sharp price spikes due to high demand or steep declines if demand is weak. How it works? Its mechanism. Underwriters can sell up to 15% more shares than the IPO's initial allocation, effectively creating a short position. If the stock price rises above the offering price due to high demand, underwriters exercise the green shoe option to buy additional shares from the issuer at the original offering price and sell them to meet the demand by earning a profit. So, additional shares is purchased by the underwriters. If stock prices fall below the offering price, that is a break issue, underwriters buy back shares from the market or public to cover their short position, reducing supply and supporting the price. When they buy back the shares from the market, their supply reduces and then price is supported. There are various types of green shoe. First is full green shoe. Underwriters buy the entire 15% of additional shares from the issuer if they cannot repurchase shares at or below the offering price before the price rises. So, entire 15% shares are purchased by underwriters.